Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Agnes Collera, your Las Vegas realtor from Century 21 Americana. Today I'm here inside Richmond, American new community called Stonehaven, and we are going to feature in my channel this model home. It's a two-story home. It's a Seth plan. It's 5-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 3,000 square feet, and the starting price is $740,000. Let's go inside and tour this house, you guys. As soon as you walk in, you will be greeted by this nice foyer. On this side right here, there is a bedroom and also a bathroom. And just so you guys know, this one is a nice storage here, a coat closet. In this house, there's also a 3-car garage. Right now, I cannot show you guys because they use it as a sales office. But this is the first bathroom right here on the first floor. It's tub and shower combo. And right this side, this is the first bedroom on this first floor. This is perfect if you have a guest, and so they don't have to go upstairs. And also in this bedroom, there is a walk-in closet. This is a very deep closet, plenty of space. In this area right here, you guys, this is a formal dining area. I love how they stage it. It's away from the kitchen. Okay, you guys, this is a massive living room right here. We got that accent wall. Right below there is a fireplace, but the fireplace is part of the upgrade. But just imagine yourself sitting in this living room, you guys. And now we're gonna go check the backyard. The backyard is pretty nice. By the way, what you see here outside is part of the upgrade. And there's another dining space right here. This is what you call an informal dining, but it's a nice area. Also, you're looking at your modern kitchen. There's a big island in the middle. It's kitchen right here. I love this nice undermount sink. Love the white color palette that you choose. Everything here is white and then black material that we use. Love the stove top. And this one right here, the hood. Let me show you the pantry. So right here, there's the microwave and the oven. By the way, the refrigerator is part of an upgrade, but you can always negotiate with the seller. Okay, you guys, let's go upstairs and I'm going to show you the rest of the house. I love the stairwell, but this is part of the upgrade. As you see here, there is a loft area. This is also a space for entertaining. This side right here, this is a shared bathroom. It features a dual sink vanity and tub and shower combo. And I'm going to show you the washroom. The washer and dryer is part of the upgrade. I'm going to show you the secondary bedroom. This is the second bedroom with a standard closet inside. So like what I said before, there's 5 bedrooms in this house. By the way, this Seth model home is a 3,000 square feet. Another bedroom over here. This is quite bigger than the other one. There is a standard closet inside. Right outside the washroom, there is a linen closet. There's plenty of storage in this house. And then another bedroom over here. And in this bedroom, there is a walk-in closet. Okay, you guys, I'm going to show you the primary bedroom on this side. This is a nice large bedroom, plenty of space. Tons of windows bringing natural light in. Now we're gonna go to the primary bathroom. There's separate tub. This is part of the upgrade. Also a walk-in shower. Very nice. And I love that they put this large window. Right here, this is, by the way, in this primary bedroom, there's 2 walk-in closets, his and hers closet. Tons of space over here. Water closet on this side. And then right on this side, this is another closet. Again, this is the Seth plan. It's 3,000 square feet. The starting price is 740,000. There is 5 bedroom, 2 to 4 bath, and 3 car garage. If you are interested in owning one of the homes in Stonehaven, you can reach out to me at 310-848-5693. The HOA in this community is $73. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit subscribe, like, and share my video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.